I never. But it's my personal thing. I never leave it inside.
You don't?
Okay.
I don't like it, no. But it's my personal thing.
So why did you do that?
Because I don't like to see this one inside.
When cooking.
Yeah, it's my personal thing. So honestly, I take it out. I don't need it, so it's inside. But you can leave it. You can leave it inside.
Okay.
It's not going to damage it being inside though.
No. It's not gonna damage. It's just like I don't
Just
like
ADD.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now in here,
Yeah.
we've got we get chemical into here too.
Now chemical come
Chemical
from here.
in there?
Yeah, in
So
here.
how do we wash these fans?
There is like a pipe, two pipes, where they come out of water, and with the fans, it's going to move the water all around.
The chemical.
When it's
only
washing.
one
So the chemical
one
come
quarter-
from here,
Yeah, 1/4 chemical.
here, and water. After you're gonna have water from here as well, and from here as well.
The important thing is that you don't have any risk to have some chemical residual on that sprayer.
Yeah.
Because every washing cycle ends with the rinsing.
Yeah,
the
rinse.
with
Oh,
the
yeah.
rinsing. So if you have
and
the customer decide to keep it
removes all.
inside, no problem. What you have some drop it is just water.
Yeah.
Okay.
If there is a problem with the oven is going through a chemical wash, okay, halfway through the wash, the oven shuts down for some reason, the power's gone off or whatever. So you come back and you've got the power back onto the oven. It's
Beautiful.
going to go into a forced wash, clean.
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you
But
cannot.
you can't
when you
use
start,
the-
you cannot cancel. You cannot modify the washing cycle. If you stop with the power goes off and any kind of situation, when they will restart, the restart the washing will end the washing.
Cleans the wash and goes through a rinse.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
No
But you
way.
can't use the oven, you can't go in and even use it until it's
Until the wash cycle's finished.
For safety.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're not allowed to do anything else than finishing the washing cycle.
So,
Watch out.
micro
Watch out.
switch.
You see, yeah, the heat is different from the other one.
So I don't know if you know, but our program, washing program, starts from 80 degrees.
Yes.
Okay, so the oven must be 80 degrees. The program system has a preheating system or a cooling system
Yes.
inside the program itself.
Yes.
Usually I do manually, okay, because it's faster, okay. So I just go here, okay, I bring it down to 80 degrees, I press start.
Okay. So it won't wash if it's higher than 80?
No, it's going
All lower than 80.
in this case, okay, it's going to cool himself. Like if you choose the washing system,
Yeah.
okay, you're gonna start,
Yeah.
okay, but what's happening? The oven is not going to wash straight away because it must cool himself. When he's reached 80, it start to wash it.
And if it's below 80, it
It's
has
going
to
to
go
preheat.
up.
It's going to preheat, yeah.
Yeah.
Remember we talked about the chemical
Yeah.
burning the stainless steel?
Yeah.
So what it does is if it goes in at 110, 120 degrees, you spray your you spray chemical on the stainless steel,
You can, yeah, okay.
it'll pit it,
Yeah.
it'll make it black.
It'll damage it.
It'll damage the stainless steel.
Okay.
The correct, chef?
I do this way because it's faster.
Yeah.
So, but like if you want to wash him during night time, you can leave it.
Yeah.
There's no problem. There's no problem to do manually. You can just choose the washing system that you want, press
And
start,
it'll
and
do
you
it
can leave
itself.
all night.
Yeah.
No problem.
Probe,
Probe. Yeah.
USB.
Yes.
Yeah. With this oven,
Yeah.
with this oven, if I was a chef
Yeah.
and I've got 5 of these ovens in a row,
Yeah.
and I want to monitor from my office what they're doing, or I want to change the program or anything like that, can I have a computer linked to those 5 ovens?
We are working because, like, for example, mine over there in the kitchen has the Wi-Fi,
Yes.
but it's something that we come out now.
Yes.
Okay. At the moment, is more for the technical, so the technical from the office can see what's going on in the oven.
Yeah.
But we are working for the recipe as well.
Yes.
But first is for the technician. Okay, so it's for the warranty as well, for the to check how the oven is doing. So for example, you in the office, they call you, so I got a problem. You go with the you go in with the Wi-Fi, connect to the oven, okay, and you can check.
Okay.
But it's something that we are testing now, so it's going to take a little bit.
It's a new feature yet
Yes.
to come.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you can use the Wi-Fi from Italy to go onto our oven if we've got
Yes,
a problem,
of course.
and go into the oven and
Yes.
That's handy.
Like
Yeah.
I don't know if I can because it's something that we start to develop last week. So the technical came to set up my oven with the Wi-Fi and everything.
Oh yeah.
But you know, take time to because we're working with the cloud.
yeah.
With the cloud, so it's something that we actually doing. But I want to show you.
It's in the development plan. We've done very good.
The problem is technicians in the country, when it's given a manual, they haven't got it to use.
At the 100 kilometers away,
Yeah.
before going there, you need to understand what's the point.
Okay, see.
Yes.
So I'm close it. Okay, going to washing.
Yes.
Okay, automatic, and I choose like the short one. Okay.
Yep.
Have a look. You press start. Okay. So give a quick rinse.
Yeah.
And now the oven is going to start.
Yeah.
Back to the Wi-Fi. This is the app for the mobile phone. Okay. You know, connector status is offline because it's not connected to the oven yet. But you can see it's going to tell me which oven it is. Okay. And it's going to tell me what's going on with the oven. Okay. So it's going to tell me the temperature. It's going to tell me the last recipe. So all the information you can check from